We ready gidigba to appoint commissioners and others, but it must come from those from grassroots. Philip Shaibu na talk this one. Edo State Deputy Governor Right Honourable Comrade Philip Shaibu don talk say Governor Godwin Obaseki go form in state cabinet very soon. Say the delay na to make sure say the people wey vote in this government go dey part of the people wey go pick the commissioners. E yarn this one on Sunday when he dey talk to Tori people after the Father's Day ceremony for St. Paul's Catholic Church, where him also serve as chief mass servant during the service. The parish priest of St. Paul's Catholic Church come say make fathers get personal relationship with God, say make them no seek comfort from outside as na only Jesus go fit help them for their difficulty.
And for fathers, when you have someone in the house that Jesus is here, have a personal relationship. Jesus is the one that will help you have a son. Don't seek kindness outside too, alcohol, friends, and hanging around the world. And don't seek comfort outside to mistresses. And so, for all fathers to say on this Father's Day, all fathers that have mistresses, sack all your mistresses today. I say, sack all your mistresses today.
The wife of Edo State Deputy Governor, Mrs. Marian Shaibu, during the service, come appreciate am well for wetin im dey do and all the fathers for the parish. Oga Deputy say this one na the fourth time wey im dey serve as chief mass servant, as e dey remind am of the days wey im be altar boy for Banawa, Kaduna State. He come also talk on the importance of Father's Day celebration. He say na reminder for fathers to play their role for society, not be only for their homes, so that Naija go be better place for all of us.
Serving the mass today reminds me of when I was still an altar boy in Holy Family Catholic Church, Banawa, Kaduna. And in the church here, this is the fourth time I'm serving mass during Father's Day. So it reminds me of those days when I was younger and when I was an altar server. Today's Father's Day reminds us that as fathers, we should play our role in the society, not only at home. As father, we are the head of the family. Our utterances at home will shaping our family. Our utterances at home will determine whether our children will be positive or negative. If we are negative at home, in all our utterances, just know that we are building a generation of young ones that the utterances will be negative. So the starting point is our home. And as a nation, the president is the father of the nation. The governors of the 36 states are the father of the state. They should act as fathers to the country and they should act as father to their state. And when that is done, definitely prosperity will abound. And for chief executives of banks, chief executives of industries, they should act as fathers in their various establishments. The organizer, the head of the organizer should act as a father. The tomato seller should act as the head. And when we do that and stop playing negative at home and in our workplaces, then Nigeria will be a better place. We should amplify those things that unite us, make positive statements at home, and that is the formation that the country will take. As a father of the nation, as a father of the state, as a father of a company, if you refuse to make statement when you need to make statement, if you refuse to take action when you need to take action, just know that you are running the company to bankrupt or running the country or the state to a level of economic instability. So for all of us, as fathers at home, we should play our role just like St. Joseph did to Mary and little Jesus when he was born. If we can act like St. Joseph in our workplaces, in our homes, all this insecurity, all this banditry, all this kidnapping will be thing of history. So today should remind us of our role as fathers at home and as father in our various establishments where we find ourselves at the head. This governor will not appoint people from Benin. He prefers that the people should play up the names of those that they feel should run affairs of the state. That the process of getting the names have already started from the grassroots. And when they bring these names, which we have already started receiving, obviously in a couple of days, the cabinet will be formed.
This one na the ogbonge informate wey TMC TV carry come give una on top the cocoa for today. My name na Chidima Anichukwu from Benin.